Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to introduce the Bifrost. They have a new event, the Rainbow Boost 3.0. Now it's a live, and I'm going to show you from the very beginning how to participate and what would be the rewards. And so let's first start. So for the Rainbow Boost, that's an event. You could actually consider that as a scoring system to keep track of your on-chain events, like on-chain behavior. So if you use Bifrost, their parachain or not, Bifrost is a parachain in Polkadot. So if you use that or not, they're going to use use a score called a rank job. So that's going to keep track of like how often, right, or how you use their parachain. And the higher the better, because the higher rank job you have, you are going to get some rewards. And so for this one, like from the very beginning, what you should do is I'm going to post the link. Basically, there is a referral event. So if you just put some referral code, you can claim, and you will get actual like 1,000 rank job. So I'm going to start from the beginning here. So I will first claim, and then the same thing, put the let me put password. Okay, and so now you claim that, so you can see that it's successful. So you will get a lot of I get a lot of rank job now. So okay, so this is the first step. Now you get the rank job. So what to do next? So there will be different things you can do. You can mint VKSM. It's kind of a it's similar to actually Arcana. They have L dot, right. Pioneer Finance, they have the S dot or something, like it's similar to that. You basically can earn some rewards. And so this is the first thing that you can do. You can stake your KSM. You can also stake your BNC, that's their token. And then some other events you can join. And then this is the airdrop they are going to have. So the first one would be the KMA airdrop that happens on like the snapshot at August 11th. So make sure if you want to get that, make sure you get the rank job right before this time. And then everyone will share this number of KMA, and then you will also have the AUSD Air Penhaco Kint. So you have 5 different kind of airdrop, and also with some actual VKSM APY, right? So basically you will stake the KSM and get some rewards as well. And finally, you will also have the opportunity, if you are within the top 100, then you can have a white list for their NFT. I'm not quite familiar with that, but but it's top 100. I'm out of top 100 now. So basically you need to do something, right, in order to make it top 100. And so now let me just go ahead to show you first mint VKSM. And so mint VKSM, you need to first cross in, so get some KSM from your relay chain. So as a demo, I will just put 1.5 as a demo, okay? So you will just confirm, and then you will sign. And so after a little bit time, it's going to send, okay, it's very fast. So it's going to send that KSM from relay chain now to the Bifrost, their parachain. I believe they are using XCM as well. So now you have the KSM. And then like you can use the KSM to mint VKSM. And so VKSM, as I said, that's similar to Pioneer Finance. They have the like S dot or SKSM, right? So you can stake. And so you need to mint. So I'm going to mint that. So I will just mint, and then I will confirm. Okay. So now use the KSM. Now I mint some VKSM. After you mint the VKSM, you can do the farming. So keep check here. So overall it's around 38, but the base is 22. So this is the base reward, and the rest of them would be farming. So this farming would be changed. At the very beginning, I think it's super high. As more people join, this will be lower. But overall, it's still good. It's better than the staking on the Relay chain directly. So now, after you stake, right, you can go to the farm, and then you can find the VKSM round 5. So here, you can deposit and do the staking. So I'm going to deposit all of them, and confirm. Okay. So now my VKSM is staking there to earn some actual rewards. So that's why the overall rewards would be almost 40%. So basically, I will earn some more KSM, and also I will have this almost 15% APY to earn some BNC. So this will only last 18 days. So it's not like all the time. So this is kind of uh, a temporary like the event, right? It's not a non-term event for now. So you will basically just earn some rewards temporarily in 18 days. Okay, you can manage that. You can withdraw if you want. So this is the first thing you can do, like a VKSM, right? And then you can. This is also one thing I like. They do have the real time, like show you the rewards. So number is keep increasing, which is great. And then the other thing would be the BNC. Like I have some token now, and I can do the staking. So I go to the connector here, and I can just choose. I can delegate. So this one is highest. Yeah, maybe I can support this guy, or maybe support the second highest, right? Oh, sorry, this is the second highest total bonded. Okay, so maybe just support this guy. And I will just put. I will always keep some in my wallet. So I will just confirm and then delegate. So now you can see that now I did some on-chain events now, right? Because I do mint some KSM, I do stake, and then now I do some like BNC staking. So I all kinds of events I joined, right? Now if you go back to the dashboard, you can see my range job. My range job now increased a lot crazily, right? It's now like 5,000. Yeah, this one is just done. I don't know whether that will increase again, but basically you can see that now. So okay, so here it will tell you like, okay, I get some more. I think I should get some staking. Like if I stake more than 100, I will increase 5%. Okay, and so now you can see my rank is still, why my rank is still 188. It's probably not updated yet. Let me refresh that and see if that will be updated. So this one is now updated. So you can see that it's more than 5%. Okay, yeah. So that means if you stake more BNC, it's actually increased by percentage. It's not increased by just 5 or something. So the more BNC you stake, actually the more like range job you are going to get, and by a percentage. Okay. So now now you can see, okay, so I increased a lot, right? So now I'm 141. So it's a little bit better than before, but I'm still not within top 100. It's kind of competitive, but it's okay. So I think overall I just go over the details, show you how the rainbow boost event from Bifrost, and I show you step by step how to get the range job, right? From the very beginning connect to different kinds of events you can do. I believe if I do some swapping or something like I can get more points. Okay, so as a demo, this is for educational purpose. It's not really financial recommendation. I just share my personal experience, and hopefully I will get some feedback. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you don't want to miss the future video, please subscribe. So again, thank you all very much. This is Web3 Education and Investment. The channel I focus on the Web3 education and those investment opportunity, and share my personal experience, hopefully to make some new friends here. Thank you all. Bye.